press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Santosh Shubhajit Ghosh, and today I have with me the latest Chirag in the Dabangg family. I'm talking about the one and only, the glam doll, the beautiful, the gorgeous, Sai Manjrekar. It's a pleasure having you on the show. Thank you so much for being with us. The first question, I want to start with this. When you see your name over here, Sai Manjrekar, what about the butterflies?
I think more than butterflies now is just, I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Butterflies will come after I start believing that it's me.
You still pinch yourself?
A lot of, like 100 times a day. I don't believe it. I feel like I'm living a dream. Sometimes am I actually really this is happening? Is this me? I touch my phone screen to see it's actually me.
Yeah. But how does it feel, amidst all this media glare and tension and everything, and a debut, not just like another random debut, a debut with the box office king, Salman Khan, Sonakshi Sinha is there. What do you feel? It's like the quintessential debut. You can't have a better debut than this.
Exactly. I couldn't have asked for anything better than this. It's obviously very surreal. It doesn't, I wouldn't have thought of this in my wildest dreams that this would happen to me. And the fact that Salman sir has given me this opportunity, I'm very thankful to him, and I just hope that I can make him proud.
Of course you will, and I was hearing from Sonakshi that you were asking her for tips regarding how do you handle and balance.
I really love her, okay? She's very sweet, and I remember she was giving me an interview and I heard that she was there, and I've tried to open the door for the room. It was locked, so I've nicely gone through the back door to say hi. And I had not given my first interview yet. So she was giving it so nicely. I was like, hi, listen, give me tips now.
Exactly. That's what she said. She was asking me for tips, and then she told you the answer that she gave in return was like the best. I mean, you are so confident, you're lovely yourself. You don't need tips from anybody, right?
Yeah, but she is amazing.
And tell us a bit about the experience on the sets, because when you were there, we were sharing the sets. First film you're sharing with the Dabangg of Bollywood, and also Sonakshi Sinha. She's a little, I would say a tigress in her own right. So when you were doing, did you go up to them for any kind of tips or advice, or did you get anything from her?
I didn't get to share a lot of screen time with Sona. Of course, you see it in the film why. But whenever I used to meet her, she always told me, cherish this, have fun, because this is the best experience of your life. And she's been through exactly the same thing I'm going through. She's felt exactly the same things I'm feeling 9 years back. So I think nobody better than her to tell me exactly what to do, because to cherish this and to have fun, I think is one of the most useful advice that I've gotten. Because I was so serious about this, and when she told me, I was like, this is my first film. Of course I have to be serious, but I have to also have fun. And it has been a blast shooting this film. It's been so much fun. It's been a treat to work with everybody, from Prabhu sir to Salman sir to Sudeep sir. I have never learned so much in 3 months as much as I've learned in these 3 months from these 3 bona fide experienced people.
And to tell you something about Sonakshi, I think her first public appearance was with Salman sir at the IFA. And if you see 9 years down the line her career, it's fantastic. So that's why
she's felt exactly the way I'm feeling right now.
So we can imagine you being where you can reach 9 years down the line. That's a lot of positivity coming away from there. And right now you obviously had a lot of good experiences with them. So I'm going to ask you certain questions about them so that we can figure out how well do you actually know your co-stars.
I fared very poorly in how well do you know your co-stars. Okay.
These are really simple questions. I hope you get the...
Will you give me hints?
I will.
Okay.
I will. In which movie did Sonakshi Sinha play a character which is suffering from tuberculosis? Hint? The movie had Ranveer Singh along with her. Now it gives the answer.
I love that film. I don't know how to forgot it.
This gives away the answer. Anyway.
Because I don't, when someone says tuberculosis, I forget that it's TB. So I only remember just TB.
Correct. Which actor played the role of Salman Khan's boss in Hello Brother?
Shakti Kapoor.
Perfect. Spot on. What did Sonakshi earlier work on? I mean, work as rather as a career before becoming an actress. It's also very easy.
Fashion.
Yeah, that's what she studied.
Yeah,
you know? So,
study fashion.
yeah. So she was a costume designer.
Yes,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah. Okay, so this one should be really positive for you. For which movie did Sonakshi win the Filmfare Award for the first time?
Dabba?
You
Yeah.
have it? You can see that for yourself as well.
I hope.
Before becoming an actor, what did Salman sir work as?
What?
What did Salman sir work as before becoming an actor? What did he start with
I can't imagine him doing anything else.
before doing that?
Give me a hint.
It's something related to the industry, and it's a lot of people use that as a stepping stone to eventually become.
Assisting.
No,
Writing.
he started as a model.
A model?
Yeah, he has done a lot of commercials and everything at a very young age, and then eventually got that
I
big
didn't
break.
know this.
Yeah. Okay, so the last one. What is the name of the dog from Salman
Taffy.
Khan's? I think
My
you're a dog
favorite
lover.
movie. Dog lover to I am, I love
yeah. It's a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for this mega Dabang movie.
Thank
and I'm
you.
pretty sure that you're gonna have a wonderful career forward. Wish you all the best.
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.
That's a wrap today at IWM Buzz. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sai Manjrekar and you're watching me on IWM Buzz. Please like, share and subscribe.